Another story we are following now at 5:30. Can you sue your employer if you're fired for refusing the COVID vaccine? Well, labor law attorneys are getting lots of calls about it.
But Better Call Harry says there's a more important question. Can you actually win? Legal experts say you may want to think twice.
On Thursday, we were talking about unemployment benefits. The labor commissioner says if you're fired for not taking the vaccine, it is possible that you could receive benefits. But what if you're denied and now you want to sue? Get in line.
I am receiving multiple calls about exemptions to a mandatory vaccine program.
Sherry Oluyemi is an employment attorney who's hearing a lot from people who say they won't take the vaccine.
And they're trying to find out one of two things. One, is it legal? They just want advice. Do I have the right to oppose this? And the other group of people are certain that they're going to oppose it. They're certain they have grounds for an exemption.
She says there are two exemptions for the COVID mandated vaccine. Number one, a sincerely held religious belief, but you'd have to prove that taking the vaccine would be impossible or contrary to one of the tenets of your religion. Exemption 2 falls under the Americans with Disabilities Act. If you're disabled and taking the vaccine would be bad. Oluyemi is also getting calls from women who are expecting.
Pregnancy is not a disability, but if a pregnant woman has an underlying medical condition or complication with her pregnancy, she would be treated as someone who is disabled and would be afforded the same types of protections.
For everyone else, it's going to be tough. The EEOC has to investigate. And if you didn't know, Georgia is an at-will state. You can be fired or quit for any reason as long as it's not illegal. And a federal court has ruled that mandating the vaccine is legal.
So if someone calls me and just refuses to take the vaccine on the basis of a political affiliation, on principle, on some sort of socioeconomic grounds, these are not cases that I would accept because I simply do not believe that I can receive any sort of recovery for that individual.
As a consumer advocate, it's my job to look out for you, which is why I'm telling you, do not listen to the geniuses on Facebook who are telling you to let yourself get fired so that you can sue. If you go down this road, be prepared to wait, and it could take years. In Norcross, I'm Better Call Harry, CBS 46 News.